Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How we should check the voltage of the battery of each cell. So this is a 3-cell LiPo battery for homemade jet. Please subscribe my channel and watch video up to end. This is multimeter, and you should move the multimeter toward the 20 voltage range. And now we should see the total voltage of the battery, positive and negative. Just see 11.27. now if you want to check each cell they properly working or not, so this is cell first 2.96, this is cell second 4.16, and this is third cell 4.16 or 17. So it means that 3 of the cells are working properly. Thank you for watching.